I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the app you want locked, then triple-click the side or home button to open guided access. This immediate step pins the device to one app so users can't switch away. Once the guided access dialog appears, tap options to decide whether touch, motion, volume, or auto lock remain active. Make changes now. It prevents accidental navigation. You're doing this to control access quickly and safely, so set only the permissions you need before starting the session. Next, configure the session. You can circle areas of the screen with your finger to disable taps. This is perfect for ads, buttons, or sensitive fields. Then, in Options, toggle hardware buttons and motion controls to prevent accidental exits. If you need a timeout, set a time limit so the session ends automatically. Otherwise, enable Face ID or Touch ID so only authorized users can end it. Make sure to test the restrictions briefly to confirm they behave as expected. Finally, tap Start to activate guided access and verify the app is locked. You'll see that home gestures, switches, or disabled areas no longer respond. This secures the session. To end it, triple-click the button and enter the passcode, or use Face/Touch ID if set. If guided access won't start or won't end, restart the device, then check Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access for correct options and a passcode. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves common glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.